that was close. We almost got stuck in a giant storm coming this way.
It still hasn't happened yet.
No. But I thought for sure we were going to get bombarded.
Well, it still is. I think we might be driving away from it. They probably hit the campground now. There was so much thunder and our screen tent was still up. Matt was like, we're not going to make it.
We're not going to make it. Hey, McDonald's coffee.
Ooh, I don't know what happened, but we both
wait,
just
we don't like
really...
McDonald's coffee here.
No.
Oh, crap.
But it's better than it used to be.
Drive through?
You're just pulling it.
Bear, how do you feel about the storm that you just escaped? Fargo!
Looking for Steve Buscemi.
Wasn't it a horror flick? Or was it a
wasn't
thriller?
really horror. I guess it was more thriller. That was wildfire in the prairies.
All right, we're somewhere in North Dakota at a rest area. Looks beautiful. We are still about 4 hours away from being at our final destination for tonight, which is the Flying J. We thought we were going to Walmart, but we're not. We're going to the Flying J. Hopefully, I think there's going to be Wi-Fi. I'll be able to upload. Yeah, now Bear's just walking through the grass. We're in Bismarck, North Dakota, at this weird space alien restaurant right behind me. And Don just went to get some pizza. Bear is eating right now. We still have 2 more hours and a little bit to go to the Flying J that we're going to be staying there tonight. We're also running through gas really fast. I mean, we're going from full to empty faster than normal. But the good thing is filling up is about 30 bucks. Just want to document that we're finally seeing some hills, mountains slash peaks slash tips.
They're not full-on mountains, but it's not flat.
It's not flat. It's not.
It's like an A cup.
This is the first time, right? It's a private shower. I'm at the Flying J. So this was awesome. Yeah, this is great. You get a shower, you have this private room you can rent, 12 bucks, get a membership, and then you can take a shower whenever you see one. All right, here we are. Ooh. So here we are, the Flying J. We're in Beach, North Dakota. And just showered. Donna's in bed. That guy's just wiping his ass. And I can't believe that guy's wiping his ass. Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to end the vlog right tonight. We are in Beach, North Dakota at the Flying J. I just finished taking a shower. Don's in bed. I'm going to finish editing this video tonight, hopefully. And then yeah, that'll be just a quick wrap up. Just don't forget to always support your YouTube vloggers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Biondi.